Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I have a 15 year of experience in fire and life safety field. I am working as a fire and life safety consultant in Saudi Arabia. I hold many certificates from NFPA and IFE, and there is many more and many membership. So our today topic is NFPA 70E and NFPA 70E standard for the electrical safety in the workplace. So in this there is a many chapter. In each chapter there is divided into the articles. So I deliver you today for the article number 215. Article 215. So we will deliver. This article belongs to the premises wiring. Premises wiring, like we have a home, like we have a business office, like we have a compound dwelling unit. So there is a premises wiring in this type of so what is this premises wiring, and this article belongs. This article 215 is a short article containing scope and purpose and maintenance and railway cable tray, open wire protection, cable wiring components only. So it is a premises wiring is the internal and external electrical system of the building. It include power, socket, lighting, cable, control, signal circuits, along with all the fittings, devices, and the hardware. What is the purpose of this chapter? Purpose of this chapter is safety related maintenance requirement. The articles this belongs to the condition and maintenance of the premises wiring. The purpose of this to ensure the wiring system component continuously provide the protection against the electrical contact and physical during normal workplace. This state that safety related maintenance requirement for the premises wiring. So this article belongs first is maintenance of the premises wiring. It contained the many cover the hardware, protection of the open wiring, raceway, and cable tray. So the pathway and circuit conductor cable raceway of the electrical in the wall, ceiling, and this and that, and devices, outlet, switch, junction, light, features where power are used. This means premises wiring means it is contained in this article. For example, premises wiring can be understand to the wiring system component installed throughout the facility or property. This article does not provide a journal installation guidelines. This provide you the maintenance, how we will maintain this electrical wiring. So the central maintenance context is do not allow the wiring system to become exposed, unsupported, physically damaged, and accessible through missing cover or opening. The concept is reflect all four sections of this article. This article stabilize the maintenance scope, installation is completed or not, open wiring must be remain protected from unintentionally contact, raceway, and the cable tray. So always there is a maintenance article. Inspect any electrical inspector, electrician, maintenance guy, worker, safety professional apply this article 215 should look to deterioration or missing protective components such as missing covers, missing cover hardware, unprotected openings, inadequate protection of the open wiring, damage or inadequate raceway, damage or inadequate cable tray, wiring that is no longer physically protected and physically supported. So in this article we have to verify all these things in this section. Overall safety objective of this article is that maintain the physical protection of the premises wiring and protect people from unintentionally contacting electrical and circuit parts. The section identify the subject matter like safety related maintenance, premises wiring. Detailed requirement appear in this through 215.2 to 215.4. So we will discuss one by one this point. What is 215.2? 215 is cover the wiring system component, they are in the place or not. It include all associated hardware. It is include no unprotected protected opening are there. It cover all cover shall be in the place. All cover cannot be left removed after maintenance, inspection or testing or any repair. The wiring system component must not be left open when its cover is required for the protection. So always remember the cover should be cover any type after any type of inspection, testing and the repair. Cover of the wiring system component must be in the place. So remember this. So if there is a cover installed, we have to verify, we have to properly position the cover on the maintenance equipment or the installed electrical equipment. All the associated hardware present, the cover are secure or not, the cover removed during recent work or not. So we remember always this in this section. So now we have to move to 15.3 means open wiring protection. Open wiring protection means this section 215.3 is cover require the open wiring protection such as protection provided by the location or barrier. Location or barrier. So we maintain this unintentionally contact from this type of section. This section have three important ideas. Open wiring may require protection. Yes, open wiring require protection. Second is protection can be provided by the location or the barrier. Third is open must be maintained. Protection must be maintained or prevent unintentionally contact. The protection must be maintained is a critical. It's very critical. The requirement is not only the open wiring was originally protected. The protection method must be continuously to work over time. Over time, protection must be reduced or defeated if this barrier is removed, barrier is damaged, the wiring of is moved to a more accessible location, the original separation or the location is no longer effective. So we have to always remember this. If protection is open wiring is provided by location or barrier, the protection must remain effective. Remember this. Now protection by location. The protection by location is the one possible form of open wiring protection. This means wiring position or the arrangement can help prevent unintentionally contact. For the maintenance purpose, the location must continue to provide the intended protection. Protection by location is acceptable only as long as the location continues to prevent unintentionally contacts. Now we have these points always have to be remembered. Protection by the barrier. Protection by the barrier is also a method to protecting open wiring. A barrier is a part of the safety arrangement when it prevents a person from unintentionally contact wiring. If a barrier is removed, damaged, bypassed or no longer positioned correctly, the protection may not be maintained. Barrier inspection question. Is the barrier still installed or not? Verify. It is intact or not? It is located where it is provided protection. Can a open reach around through it? Has the work area changed since the barrier was installed? So you have to verify this. Open. Now 3.4, the another section 215.4, open wiring must remain protected by its location or barrier so that intentionally contact is prevented. So what is the now comparison between this and this? What is the difference and comparison between them? Between 215.2 and 215.3. 215.2 say that cover the wiring system component, and 215.3 say that open wiring protection. Always remember. Now we move to 215.4. What is this? Raceway and cable tray. Require the raceway and cable tray to be maintained to provide physical protection and support for the conductor. Physical protection means, what is physical protection? Physical protection means raceway or and cable tray are required to continuously providing physical protection for the conductors during maintenance. During any maintenance, they should not be allowed to deteriorate to the point that conductor are exposed or damaged or no longer adequate protected by the wiring. So a raceway or a cable tray is not considered adequate maintained because it is present. It must continue to provide physical protection, support by the conductor. Raceway and cable tray to provide support for the conductors. So this is physical protection. Now next is maintenance occur in maintenance must include in this damaged raceway section, broken or missing support, displaced cable tray component, condition that allow conductor to sag or become unsupported. So we have to always check this all in the maintenance cycle. Next is comparison between 215.3 and 215.4. What 215.3 say that open wiring protection by location or barrier, and 215.4 always say raceway and cable tray physical protection and conductor support are maintained. In one sentence, Article 215 say that require the safety related maintenance of the premises wiring by keeping cover and hardware in place, maintain protection of open wiring, and maintenance raceway and cable tray for conductor protection and support. I have SCOR O and R for my student. What the meaning of S? S means scope of the safety related maintenance for the premises wiring. What is means C? C means cover and associated hardware must be in place. No unsupported opening are there. What the meaning of O? O means open wiring, maintenance protection by location or barrier to prevent unintentionally contact. What the meaning of R? R means raceway, maintain raceway and cable tray for physical protection and conductor support. So this is today. This is done today my classes for the article 215. Thank you very much. And that's it from today.